Hey guys, so quick video on about the HyperX Cloud Free and how you can connect it to Xbox. So important thing to know is that um, the Cloud Free Wireless is not an Xbox licensed headset, so it won't work with your console. Microsoft controls audio output through licensing, limiting USB headset options to ensure compatibility and potentially generate extra revenue. Therefore, if you have it, it's not going to work on Xbox. So I just want to make this like quick video for you, and you can actually check where you're gonna have the Xbox, like what are actually what is going to work. So yeah.